Jackson, did Daddy train you how to massage his head? You massaged Daddy's head? Yeah? You massaged his head? You give Daddy his head massages? Right, there we go.
Oh man, hold on. One of them kind of broke a little.
Oh no.
Sorry.
We're good. We're good.
Here you go.
Daddy, give me your head. Give me your head, Daddy.
Oh.
Ready? And we're back. And we're back. And we're back. There we go. And he's trying to do his head.
Ready? Your turn. Your turn. Ready for your turn? Here, it's your turn. It's your turn.
Now he wants to do Daddy.
Okay, my turn?
There we go. Get him nice and good. There we go.